Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCAT MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. The first MCQ is which of the following step is unique to the replication of viruses compared to other RNA viruses? A. RNA replication in the cytoplasm. B. DNA synthesis from the RNA template. C. Protein synthesis and the ribosome. D. RNA packaging into new viron. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following is the primary structure component of a viron? A. DNA. B. RNA. C. Protein. D. Lipid. So the correct option is C. Which of the following best describes the genetic material of viroids? A. Double-stranded DNA. B. Single-stranded DNA. C. Double-stranded RNA. And D. Single-stranded RNA. So the correct option is D. Single-stranded RNA. The next MCQ is what is the term for the viral protein code that encloses the genetic materials? A. Envelope. B. Capsid. C. Core. D. Matrix. So the correct option is B. Capsid. The next MCQ is which of the following method can be used to inactivate firons? A. Autoclaving at high temperature. B. Standard disinfection techniques. C. Ultraviolet radiation. D. Antibiotic treatment. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which virus is known for its ability to undergo genetic resortment leading to new strains? A. Human papilloma virus. B. Influenza virus. C. Hepatitis C virus. And D. Zika virus. So the correct option is B. Influenza virus. The next MCQ is which viral replication cycle results in the incorporation of the viral genome into the host cell's DNA where it can remain dormant? A. Lactic cycle. B. Lysogenic cycle. C. Productio cycle. And D. Abortio cycle. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following is not a characteristic of acellular pathogens? A. The lack of cellular structure. B. Ability to replicate independently. C. Presence of genetic material. D. Dependence on host cell for replication. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following is the mechanism by which viron cause neurodegenerative disease? A. Inducing apoptosis in neuron. B. Inhibiting neurotransmitter release. C. Causing misfolding of normal proteins. And D. Disrupting cell membrane integrity. So the correct option is C. Which of the following best describes the genome of a bacteriophage? A. Double-stranded RNA. B. Single-stranded RNA. C. Double-stranded RNA. And D. Single-stranded RNA. So the correct option is double-stranded DNA. The next MCQ is which of the following statement is true about the envelope of enveloped viruses? A. It is derived from the host cell membrane. B. It is synthesized by the viral genome. C. It provides structure rigidity to the virus. D. D. It contains viral ribosome. So the correct option is A. It is derived from the host cell membrane. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCAT MCQs helped you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.